This video will cover the setup of a Saratoga flag backdrop banner display. When opening the bag, make note of the location of the components. One side will house two horizontal extenders and two vertical telescoping poles. The center will house your two bases. The other side will house four telescoping poles, bungees, screws, and a hex key. The horizontal and vertical telescoping poles can also be differentiated by their height. When compressed, the vertical supports are approximately 12 inches taller and feature no threaded post at their base. Take your vertical telescoping poles and insert them into each base. Rotate the pole so that the holes at the bottom are perpendicular with the base feet. Hand place the provided screw and then secure with the provided hex key. Make sure that the screw is not protruding and that the base can sit flat on a level surface. Next, assemble the two horizontal telescoping poles via one of the horizontal extension poles. You can distinguish the bottom horizontal poles apart from their upper counterparts by the size of the curved opening. The bottom poles will have a wider curve compared to the upper poles, which will have a more narrow opening. Verify by test fitting at the base of the vertical telescoping pole. They should be as flush as possible. Place the curved section by the hole at the bottom of the vertical pole and secure with one of the four provided screws. Repeat for the other side. Assemble the three pieces comprising the top pole and insert into the pole sleeve of your backdrop. Extend the pole by twisting the cam counterclockwise and setting the pole to your desired length. Retighten by twisting the cam clockwise. Connect the top horizontal pole to the vertical poles by lining up with the holes at the top of the vertical assembly and securing with the provided screws. Extend the vertical poles to the desired height and retighten. Secure the backdrop to the poles with the 6 provided bungees at the grommets as desired. To do this, insert one end of the bungee through the grommet, loop over the pole and the plastic anchor so that it is snug. And you're all done. Enjoy your Saratoga flag backdrop banner display.